Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. We're talking about that generation here guys, from year 2014 all the way up to year 2024. If you want to see how to replace the radio unit, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step in this video today. If you guys need to buy any parts, those at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below. That way you do not waste money and time. And before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix pretty much anything: engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, engine lights. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making them absolutely free. And something else guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, what we need to do now? Okay, first we need to remove the center dash trim that's around the radio, dash vents there. Okay, how we're going to do that now? Okay, let's explain that thing now. We're going to get, okay, some prying tools, plastic prying tools. You're gonna get behind, you're gonna have a few clips here and there. Okay, those are plastic clips. Okay, that are quite tight guys, but eventually they do come out. We'll show you what they look like if for some reason you break one. Okay, we'll have a we'll talk where okay you can buy a replacement one from. Let me see this one here now. It's a little bit tight on this side. Okay, perfect, it came loose. Now I need to move the steering wheel, okay, all the way down. Right, all the way down and all the way out as well. That way, okay, we'll be able to pull it out without scratching anything. And here, if we grab it now, the air vents need to come out in an angle, okay, like that. And that piece, okay, you can see it just came out like that. We're missing one clip right here. It fell behind the dash. I see it right here, so I'm going to put this one back where it belongs, okay, like that. Inspect that you have all of them. You can see, okay, there is one more missing right there. We're going to get a replacement one and put that one, or try to find it behind the dash, but practically those are the clips. So before we continue, okay, let's see what else we need to do. So we're going to get a 7mm guys socket. Now it's recommended, okay, to actually go ahead, okay, it's recommended to go ahead and disconnect your car battery. It's very important to know which car battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, otherwise you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. We have videos on our YouTube channels that explain which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. So we're going to go ahead, okay, here obviously that one of them obviously was removed in the past because it's a different size. This one looks like let me see, a 1/4 inch maybe. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, perfect, it came out. Now we're going to go ahead, grab that unit now. Okay, let me see, it will come out. What do we need to do now? Okay, we need to start disconnecting wires. How we do that? Here you press down, you pull straight out, press down, pull straight out, just like that. Next we have this one right here, the same thing. And now we need to do the big one. Okay, usually these ones, okay, let me see now. No, it's not here. Let me see this one exactly where, okay, it comes out. Okay, here we need to, okay, this one needs to, let me look at it because we don't want to break it guys. Okay, see exactly how it is. Pretty simple guys, grab here, push down, it comes, okay, just like that. The radio unit is out of your car, just like this one. Not too complicated guys for any of you looking how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.